Hey guys, this is Ben from Overland Garage, and we're going to talk about some of the projects I have, because I have a lot and we need to talk about them. So stay tuned. This is Overland Garage. So you're building something and you're like, man, I really need to work on that. And then you go, well, I need to work on that too. And then you're like, wow, I have a lot of projects. So I thought I would take a couple of minutes today and show you what I'm working on and what I will be working on and things that you guys are going to follow me through with. So let's take a look at the first thing. This is my trailer that I've been talking about that I'm going to build. And yeah, it's pretty rough right now, but this is that Ford Ranger that I reviewed and did a walkthrough, and this is the bed and trailer that I'm building, and you're like, what is that mess? And I know, it looks like a disaster right now, but this over here is going to be an Overland trailer, and it's going to go on this frame, and it's going to get lifted with tires, and it's going to look just like the truck that's in the garage. So stay tuned for that. The other thing, and this is kind of a down the road project, but I'll share a short clip on this one. For those of you watching, I did a small burnout with this vehicle, but this is going to be basically a restoration project, and this is a 1964 Buick Riviera under this cover. And yeah, this is my next project after the trailer gets built, so that'll be exciting. And then, of course, my baby is in the garage. It had some issues, so yeah, we're gonna be digging into this. Apparently it's got a cylinder 8 misfire and it's blowing oil out the valve cover. And that's unfortunate, but we're gonna do some rebuilding. We might be pulling the motor in this pretty soon, so that trip that I was talking about might not be happening as soon as I'd like to, but we're gonna do our best. And we got a lot of projects, so you're gonna want to watch these videos as I put them together. So please continue. Thank you for all your support, by the way, but please continue to like and subscribe my videos. It's a big help, and I look forward to putting together a lot more of them. So thank you.